here at the SEMA 2019 at the Linex booth, and we have this cool truck called the Pistol Whip. That's a 1957 Chevy Cameo, luxury pre-runner slash trophy truck, badass, take it anywhere in Mexico. It's all like a huge pile of 4130 tubing, about 30 inches of wheel travel in front and about 35 in back. Since these things get killed in Baja, like running into like yucca plants and cactus and cattle crossings, I Linex the fenders so they're a little bit more durable and won't get trashed every time out, and a whole bunch of goodness and a lot of TIG welding.
Hi, I'm Pfitzer from 0 to 60 Designs here at 2020, or actually 2019 SEMA. I think it goes by so fast. This is my brand new build for the Gladiator, which is for Linex. Linex came to me wanting to build something crazy out of the box again, and I'm always into the thing to building something different. But the crazy part is this is all done in Ultra. Ultra is a new exterior coating from Linex, which everybody's using, but crazy is when you put lime green on it, it's just not paint. You know, everybody thinks that Linex is really just a black bed liner coating. Actually, you can put any color in Linex. You can make any color, Ultra 100. And this year we did lime green because no other thing is, why would you think that Linex comes lime green? So we did it. You know, gray accents, black accents for fenders. You know, we put the Linex logo inside the paint job. So what we did, we took the Ultra and we shot two different colors on it, and we put a Ultra clear coat, which is a texture over the whole entire body, so it looks like it's all integrated by graphics like you would do paint. And really topped it off with a Linex tailgate, rear bumper, and accessories. We did rollback cover with the truck gear, obviously truck gear brand. You look at the truck, you're like, wow, Linex came up with something different, unique, out of the box, and not just what everybody else has in the industry.